Is your laptop microphone volume too low? Whether you are on a Zoom meeting, Google Meet, Teams meeting, or recording videos, a quiet microphone can be really frustrating. In this video, I will show you how to increase your laptop microphone volume in less than 2 minutes. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be seeing how to increase your microphone volume so it becomes very easy for recording videos or attending Teams meetings. So let's begin. So first of all, we'll just go to Windows and we'll open the control panel. In the control panel, you just have to navigate to hardware and sound. Click on sound. Here the setting pop-up will open. In the pop-up, you just have to navigate to the recording tab. Scroll down and select your microphone. You just have to double click on it. On the microphone settings get open. Under the microphone properties, just click on the labels tab. On the labels, you just have to make this full, and the microphone boost also you need to make it to full, and you just have to check the enhancement as well and make sure that disable all sound effects is unchecked. If this is checked, you can just uncheck this and make sure the levels are completely full. Just click on OK and click on OK, and the pop-up will automatically close. After this fix, make sure to restart your laptop, and that's how you can increase the microphone volume on any Windows laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who has microphone issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.